What if you could create content for clients in half the time using AI? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're showing you how to launch a content creation service using powerful free tools. Whether it's Instagram carousels, blog posts, YouTube scripts, or email newsletters, people will pay you to create what they don't have time for. And with tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut, you can start your business fast, even if you're brand new. Why content creation is in demand? Every business, influencer, and brand needs content, but most of them either don't know how to create it, don't have time, or don't want to. That's where you come in. The content marketing industry is worth over $400 billion globally, and it's growing every year. Small businesses alone spend thousands monthly on content creation because they know it drives sales. Here's what's crazy. Most business owners would rather focus on what they do best and outsource their content. They're literally waiting for someone like you to help them. Content services you can offer. Let's break down the most profitable beginner-friendly content services. Writing services. I'll write your blog post using AI. I'll create your email newsletter series. I'll write your social media captions. I'll create your product descriptions. Design services. I'll design 30 social media quote posts. I'll create your Instagram carousel posts. I'll design your Pinterest pins. I'll create your brand style guide. Video services. I'll edit your TikTok videos with captions and effects. I'll create YouTube thumbnails. I'll edit your podcast clips for social media. I'll create animated Instagram stories. You can start offering these gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, or directly through social media DMs and cold outreach. Tools to build your service. Here are the essential tools that power your business. AI, writing tools. ChatGPT, for writing everything from captions to full articles. Free tier available. Claude AI, great for longer form content and research. Free tier available. Copy.ai or Jasper, specialized for marketing copy. Paid but worth it at scale. Design tools. Canva, for graphics, carousels, PDFs, and branded assets. Free version is powerful. Figma, for more advanced design work. Free for individuals. Remove.bg, for background removal. Free tier available. Unsplash/Pexels, for high quality stock photos. Completely free. Video editing tools. CapCut, for editing vertical videos with captions and music. Free. InShot, mobile video editing. Free with premium options. Loom, for quick screen recordings and explainer videos. Free tier available. Organization and client management. Trello or Notion, for managing content calendars and client requests. Free tiers. Google Workspace, for file sharing and collaboration. $6 per month per user. Calendly, for booking client calls. Free tier available. Bitly, for creating clean, trackable links. Free tier available. Slack or Discord, for client communication. Free. Analytics and research. Google Analytics, for tracking content performance. Free. Answer the Public, for content ideas. Free tier available. Google Trends, for trending topics. Free. BuzzSumo, for content research. Paid but powerful. These tools are either free or extremely low cost. You can start with under $50 per month in tools and scale up as you grow. Where to find clients? The biggest mistake new content creators make is waiting for clients to find them. Here's how to actively get clients. Social media strategy. Post examples of your work on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. Direct outreach. DM small business accounts with 1,000 to 10,000 followers. They need content but can't afford agencies yet. Look for businesses posting inconsistently. They need help. Offer a free sample in exchange for a testimonial. Join Facebook groups where your ideal clients hang out. Comment thoughtfully on potential clients' posts before pitching. Platform-specific strategies. Fiverr. Start with the low prices to get your first 10 to 20 reviews, then raise prices. Upwork. Write personalized proposals mentioning specific details about their business. LinkedIn. Connect with marketing managers and small business owners. Facebook groups. Join groups like small business owners and provide value before pitching. Reddit. Help people in relevant subreddits mention your services naturally. Content marketing. Start a blog about content creation tips. Create YouTube tutorials showing your process. Host Instagram live sessions teaching content basics. Share case studies of client successes. Remember, you don't need a huge following. You just need a few great results and the confidence to show them off. Scaling your content business. Once you're making consistent money, here's how to scale. Systematize your process. Create templates for common content types. Build a content brief form for clients to fill out. Develop SOPs, standard operating procedures, for each service. Use project management tools to track everything. Hire and outsource. Find other freelancers to handle overflow work. Train virtual assistants to handle client communication. Partner with specialists, photographers, videographers, for bigger projects. Consider hiring full-time team members once you're doing $10,000 plus monthly. The goal is to move from trading time for money to building systems that generate revenue with less direct involvement. Common mistakes to avoid. Learn from others' failures. Pricing mistakes. Starting too cheap and getting stuck with low-paying clients. Not raising prices as you gain experience. Competing on price instead of value. Not charging for revisions and changes. Business mistakes. Not having contracts for client work. Mixing personal and business finances. Taking on too much work and burning out. Not specializing in a profitable niche. Quality mistakes. Relying 100% on AI without adding human insight. Not understanding the client's brand voice. Delivering generic content that doesn't convert. Not measuring results for clients. Client mistakes. Working with clients who don't pay on time. Not setting clear boundaries about revisions. Taking criticism personally instead of professionally. Not asking for testimonials and referrals. The key is to learn fast, fail cheap, and always focus on delivering real value that helps clients grow their businesses. Content creation is a booming industry, and with AI tools, you can offer professional quality services at lightning speed while building a location-independent business. Your action plan. 1. Choose 1 to 2 services to start with based on your interests and skills. 2. Set up your essential tools. Start with the free versions. 3. Create 3 to 5 sample pieces to showcase your work. 4. Build a simple portfolio PDF using Canva. 5. Start reaching out to potential clients this week. 6. Deliver amazing work for your first few clients. 7. Ask for testimonials and referrals. 8. Gradually raise your prices and expand your services. Start small. Focus on 1 or 2 services. Use the tools we listed in the description to set up your first offer today. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. The key is taking action. What's next? Subscribe to Internet Paydays for more AI-powered business ideas. Next episode, we're covering how to build a profitable online course business using AI to create content in record time. Drop a comment telling us what content service you'd offer first, and we'll reply with specific suggestions to help you get started. Your content creation empire starts with that first client. Go find them.